Hello, I'm going to show you all briefly how to use Padlet. It is very easy. So when you click on the link in the Canvas page, you'll be taken to this screen. When you come to this screen, you're going to simply come to the bottom to the plus sign. Click on this. This is going to ask you to go ahead and add something. Do you see the little boxes popped up? The title, you can just title it theme. You could title it your name or anything else you would like to title that. Write something. This is where you're going to click to type in the information I've requested from you. To add an image, you'll simply click here at the little search box. It's a search magnifier. And it comes up with Google with images that you're allowed to use. So you could type in, for example, duck. And images you're able to use will pop up. All you have to do is click on your image and it's already there, ready to go. Now, if you would like to move your conversation, your post, you just click on it and drag it around to where you need to move it to. All right, easy as that.